This is Crypto Kernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at Cardano, also known as ADA. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like button, which you see right here in the middle of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is our icon that you see right here in the lower right-hand corner. What this does is it ensures that you do not miss out on any upcoming crypto kernels. Now let's get on to Cardano. What is Cardano? Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. The open source project also aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent, and fair. Now, this is their mission statement. Cardano was founded back in 2017, and the ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. The team behind the layered blockchain say that they have already been some compelling use cases for its technology, which aims to allow decentralized apps and smart contracts to be developed with modularity. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. What makes Cardano unique? It is one of the biggest blockchains to successfully use a proof of stake consensus mechanism, which is less energy intensive than the proof of work algorithm relied upon by Bitcoin. Although the much larger Ethereum is going to be updating to PoS, this transition is only going to take place gradually. The project has taken pride in ensuring that all of the technology developed goes through a process of peer-reviewed research, meaning that bold ideas can be challenged before they are validated. According to the Cardano team, this academic rigor helps the blockchain to be durable and stable, increasing the chance that potential pitfalls can be anticipated in advance. How is the Cardano network secured? Cardano is secured through an environmentally sustainable, verifiably secure PoS protocol that's known as Ouroboros. The project says that Ouroboros improves upon the security guarantees that are delivered by a POW consensus mechanism while using substantially less power, claiming that it is 4 times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. It is described as a blend of unique technology and mathematically verified mechanisms with behavioral physiology and economic philosophy thrown in for good measure. Overall, the objective of Ouroboros is to achieve sustainable and ethical growth. An incentive mechanism means that participants in the network are rewarded for their involvement. Now, this is Charles Hoskinson, who was the founder of Cardano. He was also one of the co-founders of the Ethereum network. He is the CEO of IOHK, the company that built Cardano's blockchain. As well as being a technology entrepreneur, Hoskinson is also a mathematician. In 2020, he donated $500,000 worth of ADA to Wyoming University. Now, if we look here, we can see that Cardano's market cap is $67 billion. It is currently ranked number 3 out of over 9,000 altcoins. Its price as of 9/20/21 is $2.09. Now, the total supply of Cardano tokens is 33 billion. The max supply that there will ever be is 45 billion. And the circulating supply is just over 32 billion, which is 71%. We can see right here that that's verified. And if we look down, I just want to go over the last month or so. Now here at the beginning of September, Cardano started out at 245. Its highest price this month was $3.09 back on September the 1st. Critical qualifying questions. Number one, what does a coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number two, what is its market cap? Number three, what is the total token supply? Number four, who is the CEO? Number five, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community? Now, these questions must be asked and answered by you anytime you are considering investing in any token or coin whatsoever. Now, if you want to get some ADA tokens, you can do so directly on Binance. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world currently. They have low fees. You can also get Cardano tokens on Binance, like I was just saying. The link is in the description of our video at the bottom and also on our About page. You can also get Cardano on Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, sign up for one using our link that you see here, and you can earn $40 in free crypto. Or you can get your Cardano on crypto.com. And if you don't have an account with them yet, sign up using our link that you see here, and you'll receive $25 in free crypto just for doing so. And to protect all your crypto, if you don't have one already, make sure that you get a cold storage wallet. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. They are based in France and they ship all over the world. Leaving your crypto on any exchange for an extended amount of time is never safe nor smart. Once you get your ledger, you move your crypto from whatever exchange you have it on onto your cold storage wallet, and you can take it with you any and everywhere you go in the world. And even if you lose it, as long as you have your phrases put away somewhere safe, you can retrieve it at any time. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to pick up your Crypto Kernels merch. We've got COVID-19 masks, we've got iPhone cases, we've got Samsung cases. And if you haven't already, contribute to the content via Cash App or our Ethereum link, which is also in the video description. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe, because our next few weeks are going to be our biggest weeks yet. So make sure you subscribe. And until next time, get in there and make it happen.